Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to send an ACH payment with USAA in 2025. If you're a USAA member looking to transfer money electronically, this guide is perfect for you. ACH payments are a secure way to move funds between banks, and with USAA's user-friendly platform, it's simpler than ever. First off, let's quickly cover what an ACH payment is. It's an electronic transfer of funds that typically takes a few business days to process, making it ideal for bills, refunds, or sending money to family. Now, for 2025, USAA has streamlined their interface with some new features, like enhanced security checks and mobile app integration, so let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Log into your USAA account. Open the USAA app or website and enter your credentials. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled for extra security. It's a game changer in preventing fraud. Step 2. Navigate to the Payments or Transfers section. Once you're in, look for the ACH Payments or External Transfers option. It's usually under the Payments tab, and USAA's design makes it intuitive to find. Step 3. Set up a new transfer. Click on Add a new payee if it's your first time. You'll need the recipient's bank details, like their routing and account numbers. Double-check these to avoid any hiccups. Step 4. Enter the amount and add any necessary details, such as a memo for the payment. USAA might prompt you to confirm your identity here, especially for larger amounts. Step 5. Review and confirm the transaction. Take a moment to verify everything: amount, recipient, and date. Once you're good, hit Submit. Remember, ACH payments can take 1 to 3 business days, so plan ahead. A few quick tips. Always keep an eye on your account for confirmations, and be aware of any potential fees. USAA is generally low cost, but it's good to check. If you're new to this, start with a small test transfer. There you have it. Sending an ACH payment with USAA in 2025 is straightforward and secure. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.